So I've been watching this for the last 5 minutes. You can hear no thunder, just this. It's like, I wouldn't even say it's an electrical storm. But you can hear no thunder. But last night it woke me up and gave me earache. No thunder, just lightning, just flashes. And I finished up with earache for a good 5 minutes. So we had the chemtrails 2 or 3 days ago, and then we have this. It's spectacular to look at, just worrying. If anyone knows what's happening here, give us some suggestions. Is it just electrical storm? Or is somebody playing? Like I say, we're up to 2.5 minutes now. And this has been going on for a good 10 minutes. No thunder. Just these splashes of light. All different colours. Not just the reds. Anyone would think you're in a war zone. Just some ideas on what's happening.